Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in the Christmas tree store and all that. So I see these Christmas banners that they have here. These are $4.99 and they have tons of these, guys. Look at those. Merry Christmas. They have the Santa and that one. And they have tons and tons of these little jars with the snowman. These are $3.99. They have the elf. They have the little polar bear. This little guy right here. And they have Santa. And look at this one, guys, the gnome. This is my thing this year. I love the gnomes. Any type of gnomes I'm looking for. So I may pick up this one today. They have those. They also have this one right here. I'm thinking this is a monkey. I'm not sure what that is. And they have one of the polar bears with the blue also, like that one there. There's another snowman. And this is what caught my eye here. These little dishes right here. I can get these out because they have them in so tightly. But they have these right here. This one says Joy. And these are $1.19, guys. That's a great deal. They have this one right here that says Merry Christmas. They have a white one with the red truck, Merry Christmas. Stay cozy, eat, drink, and be merry. And they also have this little one with the little dogs on it. And the one with the snowflakes. And they have these bowls right here, guys. Look how cute these are. I'm only going to take one out to just let you see what it looks like. But this is a bowl, and they're $1.99. And this is what it's shaped like. But they have it in this red one right here with the red truck. They have this one right here with the gnomes again. They have the ones with the flowers. All right, so they also have some smaller ones too. These are actually $1. They have that one. The red truck, the gnomes and the flowers, the red flowers. They have that gingerbread cottage kit up there. They have the gingerbread house. They have an Oreo house there. They have the pre-built gingerbread house, the smaller one. These are $9.99. They have this one right here with the elf on the shelf. The giant chocolate cookie kids, $9.99. And guys, look how cute this is. They have an LOL camper for Christmas. Look at that. Look how cute that is. That's $9.99. They have the ugly sweaters. The kit, decorate your own ugly sweater. They have these right here, the sugar cookie kits for $4.99. All of these. All right, guys, so look up there at the top there. It says, eat, drink, and be gnomey. That is really cute. That one at the top there, the red truck, is $9.99. They have the Santa, Merry Christmas, the gnomes, the red truck with the dogs. And they have these nice cups here. These cups says happiest season of the year. And these are $2.99. They have the bowls that come with it. They have the church here. They have the white truck. And the red house here. All right, here is a salt and pepper shaker set here for $2.99. Those are really cute. They have the red truck here. These are $3.99 for the bigger cups. We have this one with the camper. These here. And here's another salt and pepper shaker, guys. This is what it looks like on this side here. These are going for $2.99. They have these plates right here for $4.99. They have the car for $4 and the white car. They have those. And guys, look how cute these are right here. These are 79cents and it comes with your, they're monogrammed. So they have different ones, all 69cents. If you have a Christmas tree shop in your area, I would highly recommend you get these. And guys, look at this right here. You know I got to get on these right here. And they also have this one right here. And these are all 69cents. They have this one right here. This one with They have a lot of those. Look at these right here. This big platter right here. Home for the holidays, $9.99. That's really pretty. Alright, so we also have these little dishes right here. You can put candy in these, anything you want in these. Be home for the holidays. These are $2.49. They have this one right here with the red truck, driving in a winter wonderland. And they have this one right here with a camper. 'Tis the season for family, $2.49. They have the Monogram Cups here. They have all of those. And these are going for $2.99. And as you can see, they have platters here at the bottom for any type of parties. All of these are $3.99. They have this red truck here. But they have a lot of things, guys, in here. And look how cute these are. They have this Santa here, a spoon holder for $2.99. The penguin. And the snowman. And they have these nice cups here. Greetings from the North Pole. Santa doesn't believe in you either. When you stop believing in Santa, you get underwear. These are $3.99. And look how cute these are. Warm and cozy. These are $3.99. They have one in gray. And they have that red one there, merry and bright. They also have these little spoon holders right here. They have this one. They have the little kitty there. They have these. They have these melamine plates, Feliz Navidad for 69 cents. They have this one here. And they have this one right here, Have a Cozy Christmas. All right, guys, so they have these little nice mugs here. Look at these. Baby is cold outside. They have this one, May your days be merry and bright. And they have this one right here, Candy Canes, Wishes, and Mistletoe Kisses. And these are going for $2.99. They also have more up there at the top. They have these little trays right here. These are going for, let's see, these are going for $1.99. They have these nice glasses right here. I think those nice. Be great to put on your table for decoration. $3.29. They have these cheese cutters right here. These are really nice. Let's see, these are $7.99. Those are really nice. They have those napkins rings right there. You get a set of 4 pine cone napkin rings. And let's see, I don't see a price on that. While I'm looking at this right here is $12.99 for the little snowman. And the pine cone rings are $7.99. They have the stemless tumblers right here. The wine glasses for $3.29. They have a lot of those. All right, guys, so they have these little wine glasses right here. Look at this. I'll be known for Christmas. Guys, I'm going to spend all my money in this store. These are $3.29. You know I got to get that as well. They have this one right here, known for the holidays. Tell me, guys, which one you think I should get. Should I get I'll be home for Christmas or known for the holidays? Let me know which one you like. They also have the one with the, I'm not sure what this little guy right here, I think it was the porcupine for $3.29. They have these glasses right here. These are going for $3.29. They have these right here. And guys, look how cute these are right here. Look at that, $3.29 for that one. There's another gnome one right there. I'm gonna do a poll on these to see if you guys like those. They have this one right here. They have a lot of these little glasses right here. And look at these little glasses right here. These are $3.99. Look how cute those are. And they have the bigger ones down here at the bottom. These are $3.99. They have ho ho ho. Very nice. All right, guys, so this is going to be a twofer because they put out more of their ornaments. But let me start up here. Look at the little elves up here. Aren't those cute? I'm not sure what the price, if I can get up there to see. Those are $7.99. the little angels here. And they have this right here, the little reindeer, the little Santa. I love this little Christmas tree right here. These are $1.99, and they all range in different prices, guys. So I'm not going to go over every price with you. The little Santa ones right here are $1.99. They have the little nutcrackers right here in pink, $3.99. They have the little reindeer right here. I'm not sure. Yeah, these actually light up. The little reindeer noses light up, and it's $4.99. There's a white one right there. With actually, this is the snowman. It lights up. They have these right here. Those are really pretty. These are going for $1.99. They have the Santas right here. These are $2.99. They have these large ornaments right here. Look how pretty these are, guys. These are $4.99. They have these right here. And they have this gold one right here. And I see the ones with the seashells. Look at those. These are $2.99. They have that crab there. They have a lot of the beach theme as well. They have the starfish, the whale. I see the shell here. They have this little guy right here. And look at these guys. Look at the little reindeer. And these all light up here. So they have the reindeer. They have the the snowman. They have the red bird. And all of these are going for $1.99. They have this one right here. They have this one right here, the cookie sheet with the gingerbread snowflake. These are $2.99. Look at these snow globes right here. These are going for $19.99. But look at that. They have that one. Look how beautiful this one is, guys. Look at that. And they make, they play music. They have that one. They have that one there. They have all these. They have Merry Christmas with the camper. They also have this 11-piece porcelain nativity set here. And it comes, actually it's $9.99. They have these right here. They have all of these. This right here is going for $6.99. It says Noel. And they have this table decor right here. And they have a lot of the DIYs. They have a lot of the little stockings, the little house, the tree. And you can paint these with your kids for $3.99. They have the paint your own holiday train set right here for $7.99. They have those. They have these right here, the magnets. Paint your own holiday magnets for $3.99. All right, so they have all of these gnomes here in red. I see blue, I see pink and green. And they also have a gray one down at the bottom. And all of these are $1.99, guys. They have these pretty gold trees right here for $9.99. They have these little light up Christmas trees right here in green and white. I see gold and green. Those are $1.99. They also have these trucks right here, guys. These are $29.99. Those are really pretty. And look how pretty these reindeers are. These are going for $9.99. Really nice. And guys, look at this right here. Here is a gnome, $6.99. I think I'm gonna pick up this one as well. And I'm gonna pick up, I see one with a checkered hat. I'm gonna pick up that one as well. I'm just mesmerized with the gnomes this year. I'm not sure as to why. This is an actual door hanger, so I'm not gonna get that one. They have a lot of the Santas. And as you can see, they have tons and tons of lights, and they have Christmas ornaments here. All of these. They even have the bigger ornaments right here. They have those. And they range in different prices. Very nice. All right, guys, so they have some of the little cute lanterns right here. These are LED, and they come in white. I see black and red. These are $6.99. They have these little cute lanterns up here. Has a little snowman singing. These are going for $5.99. They have the penguins Those are really cute, guys. And you see the little candle up here at the top? They have $5.99, and then they have Santa and the reindeer. Those are really pretty. Let's see, they have these table decors right here. These are going for $4.99. You get a red, silver, and they have the smaller lanterns here at the bottom here. These are going for, this one right here is in gold, $5.99, green. They have white, and they have this one right here for $16.99. And they have the golden ones right here, for $26.99. Look at this little guy right here. He's a bobblehead, $14.99. They have these right here that actually light up, $14.99. They have a lot of those gold jars up there. You can put candles on the inside. They have these right here. You get a set of 3 bowdage for $6.99. They have the little Santa bobbleheads as well. And they have tons and tons of these right here. Aren't those pretty? Let's see. The price of these are going for $5.99. And they have the smaller ones here at the bottom as well. All right, guys, so the last thing I'm going to show you is this aisle right here. Look at these, guys. Look at all of these gnomes in pink and purple. Look at this. Look how beautiful this color is. These little gnomes right here, these are $4.99. Has the pumpkins. It has this pretty lantern right here. It lights up. It's $16. They have the little gnome right here with the little legs right here for $8.99. They have these purple pumpkins. I want to say they're purple. It's like an off pink color. They have those. Hello, my queens and kings. Welcome back to my channel. I had to silence the video due to the music extremely loud in the store. I didn't want to get copywritten. But if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Miss Queen Bee. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel again today, guys, and I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys.